Alright, so I decided to go with the BBK shorty headers, and I decided to go through the wheel well. I noticed there's not a lot of videos out. There's a bunch of people that talk about them, but never like showing a up close install. So I'm going to show you all of the issues I had. Number one, it's on the driver's side. I've already started putting it back together, but I broke the front top bolt. It's a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. So for anyone that said this job is easy, first of all, BBK come with no instructions. Came with the wrong bolts for my flanges back here. So this is the basically I'm going to talk to you about all the hard parts and all the parts that no one included on any of their videos. As you can tell, all those top bolts right there are relatively easy to get to. The ones that are not easy to get to are that one, and those. So I don't know why they decided to design it like that, but I ended up taking forever getting those bolts on. Here's underneath view of the driver's side. As you can tell, I did have to take the starter out to get to those back two bolts. And again, the bolts they supplied for my flanges were too long, and I tightened them all the way up and it was still loose, or still leaking air. But now we're good. I will tell you that holy crap, it's a big pain in the butt. I'm not lying. To be honest, I would just pay someone to do it. I spent 7 hours yesterday and ran out of time. I'm military, so we have the auto hobby shop that we get to work in. So luckily I had a lift, but yep. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call or leave a message.